Hello everyone, my name is Justin Jos Thomas and my registration number is CR15C031. I got an experiment in Networks Lab. It's about dynamic routing. So about the dynamic routing, the aim is to enable the dynamic routing for the given topology by RIP version 1 and RIP version 2. The connectivity for both classful and classless and discontinuous network. For RIP version 1, the topology is been like this. Here there is 3 routers. For each router it is connected with switches and the switches connected with the PCs. Similarly for these two also. The addressing table for this RP version 1 is being given. For router 1, the IP address for fast interface fast Ethernet 0/0 is 192.168.1.1 and the subnet mask and the default gateway is not allowed. For router 2, router 3 and for the PCs, 3 PCs, it has been given the IP address and the subnet mask. For router RIP version 2, same topology is been there. Router 1, 2, 3 has been connected with the each switches and the PCs. For that, addressing table is been there, IP address and subnet mask. For router 1, it is 172.130.2.1 and for router 2 is 10.1.0.1 for fast Ethernet 0/0 and for serial 0/0/0 209.165.200.235. So for that I've made a topology in Cisco Packet Tracer. This is the version 1 of RIP. Here router 1 is connected with these switches and the PCs. It's one network, another network with the router, and here one switches and one PC has been there. In router 1, I'll go to CLI. I'll just go and enter EN for enable, then show IP protocols. Here you can see it will tell it is the routing protocol is RIP version 1 and it is connected with the routers 2 and router switches and router 2 fast Ethernet 0/0. The network and the IP address has been given 192.168.1.0 and 2.0 for this network and for this network. For that I have to ping the PC 0 with PC 2 to check whether the message is being transferred successfully correctly or not. For that I have to write the IP address of PC2, that is 192.168.3.10 in PC0. For that I have to go to command prompt. Here I have to write ping the IP address is 192.168.3.10. I will go ping 192.168.3.10 and I have to wait for something. It is pinging with 192.168.3.10. That is this PC. Here you can see the reply has been coming from the PC 2 to PC 0 and there's no loss of the packets. The packets has been sent successfully, has been received successfully. So we can say that the networks between this PC and this PC2 is successfully routing. For just confirmation, I'll go from PC1 to PC2. I will send the message for that same ping 192.168.3.10. The IP address I have to write. Here also you can see that the packets has been sent successfully. The 4 packets have been sent and it has been received 4 and there is no loss of the packets. From PC1 to PC2 the message has been sent successfully through this network. We can say that it is the routing the network is very correct. For version 2 I have made another topology. Here same everything like IP address I have been assigned as the routing table given there in the question. Here also I have enable and show IP protocols have written, and same RIP version 2 is incoming. Networks are been connected, maximum 4, 192.168.2.0, 3.0 and 4.0. 2.0, 3.0 and 4.0 is been there. Now if I have to ping from PC2 to PC3 to check whether the message has been sent, so for that I have to check the IP address of PC3, that is 192.168.5.10. Here I will go to desktop command prompt and ping 192.168.5.10. Here it is pinging with PC2 to PC3 from this network. Here you can see the reply is coming from this PC3, and the packet has been sent 4 and it has been received 4, and there's no loss of the packets. So hence we can prove that the topology is very correct and the packets are been sending to the network and from PC2 to PC3. Thank you for watching my videos.